Good morning. Myself, Dr. Ritesh Kumar Saraswat, Assistant Professor in EC Department, MLB Textile and Engineering College, Bhilwara. In continuation of the previous lecture of various digital modulation technique, today we will discuss about the error probability in case of various digital modulation techniques. Today lecture we will discuss the error probability of ASK signal and BPSK signal. So let us start the error probability of ASK and BPSK. Firstly, consider for the ASK signal. So in amplitude shift keying, the expression may be represent for binary 1 and 0, here represent in PPT. So for binary 1, the S1t expression is the under root of 2p cos 2 pi fct, that is a non-zero value, and whereas for the binary 0 or bit 0, the expression of S2 of t will be 0. So the basic approach or basic process to determine the error probability of any type of digital modulation technique, we have to consider a wide Gaussian noise, where the power spectral density of wide Gaussian noise is considered in equation 3.126. That is a important part to determine the expression of error probability of any type of digital modulation techniques. Here we consider a ASK. So the power spectral density for wide Gaussian noise is the SNI of f, that is n naught by 2. Maybe represent is in below one form, S01t minus S02t divided by sigma whole square, maximum value that is equal to minus infinite to plus infinite mode of S of f whole square divided by n naught by 2 df, that is represent in frequency domain. So the expression of 3.127, that represent the expression of the wide with respect to wide Gaussian noise in form of frequency domain. So by using the Parseval's power theorem, that represent the minus infinite to infinite S of f mod square df, that is equal to minus infinite to plus infinite S square t dt. Basically the Parseval power theorem provide the relation of power in frequency domain and the time domain. So left one part represent the power or energy in frequency domain, and the right one part represent in time domain. So put the value in the above equation, so it may be modified or changed as the S01t minus S02t divided by sigma whole square maximum value, that is equal to 2 upon n naught minus infinite to plus infinite S square t dt. So apply the condition of the ASK in above equation, where the condition of ASK is that when the binary bit is 1, the S1t is non-zero. When binary bit is 0, so S2 of t is 0 as discussed in previous slide. So put the value and the condition of ASK in above equation. So that represent as the S of t, basically the S1t minus S2t. S1t is a non-zero value for binary 1 and the S2t is the 0 for binary 0. So the ultimately S of t equals to S1 of t. So put the value of S of t equals to S1 of t in above equation, that is equals to under root 2p cos 2 pi fct whole square. So by simplification of the integration form, the final expression apply for the integration form. So the final form is the S01t minus S02t divided by sigma whole square maximum value equals to 2p upon n naught integration 0 to 2 dt, that is equals to 2pt upon n naught divided by n naught. So finally putting this value and the finally simplified the expression. So final value of the error probability in case of ASK by using the match filter detection process, probability of error P equals to 1 by 2 error function of 1 upon 2 under root 2 pt divided by n naught. So the final expression of error probability, that is equal to 1 by 2 error function under root of e upon 4 n naught. The above is the expression for error probability of ASK using the match filter detection. Next will we consider the error probability expression determined for the BPSK signal. So next PPT will represent the expression for the BPSK signal. The BPSK signal are identified in the two formation for the bit sequence for 1 and 0. S1T basically related for the bit 1 and the S2 of T basically related to binary 0. As in the case of binary phase shift keying, the phase will be the shifted out by amount of 180 degrees, so that will represent the plus and the minus values of the S1T and the S2T. So the S1T basically equals to minus S2 of T. As we know that the probability of error of match filter is identified, that is equals to PE equals to 1 by 2 error function of S01T minus S0 of T divided by 2 under root 2 sigma. Put the values in this one equation as we identify in the previous slide, that is equals to S of T equals to S1T minus S2T. So finally S of T equals to twice of S1T. Put the value of S of T in terms of S1T. So the expression is given, that is equals to S01T minus S0T 2T divided by sigma whole square, maximum value of 2 upon n naught, 2 divided by n naught integration 0 to T 4 S1 square T dt. Simplified the expression, and the final one expression is given in the below one of this one PPT, that is equals to S01T minus S0T 2T divided by sigma whole square, maximum value of 16p divided by n naught into 1 by 2. Simplified the expression 8pt divided by n naught, and the finally error probability expression, that is equals to 1 by 2 error function of 1 upon 2 under root of 8pt divided by n naught. Simplified, that is equals to 1 by 2 error function of under root pt upon n naught, where pt equals to e. So the final expression of error probability PE equals to 1 by 2 error function of under root e upon n naught. This is the expression of error probability of BPSK formation using the match filter detection. Thank you.